My name is Steven, the owner of The Better Taco. Currently using the Axiom Payment System has been a life-changing event with the hands-on service that I get from them. They are one phone call away with any questions or concerns or problems that I currently have. With other companies I used in the past, I would stay on the phone for 45 minutes before I got a dial tone. I don't like using those companies. I've been using these, and we're going on a third location with them, and it's been great. The onboarding process took maximum of 2 days, not even. I believe it was 1 day. We had all the equipment set up, and the website was done with all the ordering. And within 6 hours, I was up and running and changed. My experience with the staff has been A+. I've had no issues. They are always there. Anytime I send a message or give them a call, they always pick up. No issues. I would highly recommend Axiom. The customer service is phenomenal.